Hello, my dear first class students. How are you all? Hope all are fine and watching the videos and also doing your homework day by day, right? Be a good child, complete your homeworks day by day, and watch the videos also, okay? Yes. So here we have finished Ammu's school, right? Unit 3. Yes or no? Ammu's school. What is there in her school? And she took a Bittu also with her, right? We have finished this Unit 3 Ammu school, and also we have finished Ammu and her friends at school, right? Here in this lesson we have seen Ammu's friends. Yes or no? All. So here we are not going into Unit 5 now. I'll tell you Unit 3. Sorry, Unit 2. Okay. Unit 3 we have finished. Unit 4 we have finished. Now I'm telling you Unit 2. Okay. So see. In Unit 3, Ammu school, we have saw how Ammu goes to school. We'll see in this lesson. Okay. How Ammu is going to her school, we will see in this lesson. See here. Unit 2, going to school. Now here Ammu is going to school, no? Unit 3 is Ammu school. It is about Ammu school. So before going to Ammu school, what happened and how she is going to school, we will see in this lesson. See, Unit 2, going to school. Going. Spelling of going, you see G-O-I-N-G. Going. T-O-2-S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Going to school means Ammu is going to school. Okay. See, color the picture. Color spelling C-O-L-O-U-R. Color the picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. And I'm sorry, page number. See the page number 19. 1919. Okay. 1919. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Okay. 19 page number. Unit 2. We will see Unit 2 today. So what is the picture about? See the picture. Wow. Yes. What is it? Here there's a woman and there's a little girl, and woman is giving something to girl. Who is she? Before that, tell me, who is she? Who is this little girl? She's Ammu. Yes or no? Ammu. The total lessons are about Ammu. Yes or no? So here Ammu going to school. Then who is she? She is Ammu's mother. Okay. Ammu and Ammu's mother. What Ammu's mother is doing? Ammu's mother is giving water bottle to Ammu. Yes or no? It is looking like water bottle, right? Yes. Your mama also gives you basket while going to school, right? Yes or no? Your mama packs your tiffin box and then bottle, then some snacks. Yes or no? In the same way here, Ammu's mother, what she is doing? She is giving water bottle to her daughter. Okay. Here it's a bag. So no, you bring bag with you, right, to your school? Yes. So in the same way here Ammu is taking water bottle from her mother. So what you have to do? You have to color this picture. What you have to do? You have to color this picture. You have sketches, right? Sketches, color pencils or something. So neatly color it. Okay. Your wish. Whatever color you want to draw, you can draw. Okay. I mean you can color. Got it? Yes. Now turn the page. Wow. See the page? See the page? See? Oh. See. It is colorful, right? It is so colorful. Yes. So see here. What is there in this picture? What is there in this picture? Actually, what is this? See, Ammu is going to school. This is our unit name, right? Going to school is our unit name. But here, who is going to school? Ammu is going to school. Ammu is a little girl. Ammu is going to school. Okay? Ammu is going to school. She looks for Bittu. Bittu wants to go to school with Ammu. Now Ammu is going to school. Yes or no? And she's looking for Bittu. Who is Bittu? We all know. Who is Bittu? Bittu is a squirrel, right? Ammu's pet. Bittu is a squirrel, Ammu's pet, and also Ammu's friend. Right? So Bittu also wants to go with Ammu to her school. Yes, so here. So see, how do you go to school, children? Here, Ammu is, see here, you can see a school bus, a bus here. Ammu is stepping in, and then her mama is telling bye. Yes or no? Is waving hand. Now, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? How do you go? Here Ammu is going through bus, school buses. So no, now we also come through school bus, right? Some people come through school bus, and who are near to the school, they come from Ganpur. Students come by walking, right? Then if their mama or papa have scooters or scooties or bikes, they will drop some children, right? And some come through auto also, some students to our school, and then school bus. Yes or no? And also few children come from bicycle. Yes or no? Higher section students or small students who are near to the school, they come through bicycle, cycle. Yes or no? Cycle pay vastaru, then car or then bike pay వాళ్ళ mummy or daddy drop చేస్తారు. Yes or no? Huh? And then some people come through school bus, right? So different people comes from different ways. Yes? Yes. Next, what do you see in the picture? Now tell me about the picture. Wow, picture is so beautiful, right? With different colors. So coming from here, see here, what do you see in the picture? Here you see, can you see this cross and also this? They are what? This is a temple. It is mosque, and then it is church, right? Temple means gudi. Yes or no? Gudi. Then mosque, masjid. Okay, this is church. So Hindus go to temple, Muslims go to masjid or mosque, then Christians go to church. Yes or no? Yes. So here we can see the places where people go to worship God. Okay, మనం దేవుడిని మొక్కనికి పోతాం కదా, గుడికి, మసీద్కి, చర్చ్కి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ టెంపుల్, మసీద్, and also a church. Got it? Now see here, what you can see here. Here there's a house, and then a tree, and then here buffaloes, cows, ox. So here it is a horse cart, గుర్రం బండి. చూసి గుర్రం కనిపిస్తుంది కదా? ఎస్, గుర్రం బండి, హార్స్ కార్ట్. దెన్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెల్, బావి, through which we can get water, right? Here it is a hen. Then coming here, see what you can see here. It is a van, and also it is a car, right? And it is a lorry on which we have bags here, right? Yes, here it is a cross symbol, plus symbol in the sense it is a ambulance. What it is? Ambulance. Why is ambulance used? Yes, if someone meets with any accident, or someone's health is not okay, what happens? We call to ambulance, right? 108 number. If we call to 108, what happens? Ambulance comes to that place and takes patient to the hospital, right? We can also have some siren here, ambulance siren. Yes or no? Yes. Next, here you see, here this one, we'll talk about this. What it is? It is fire engine, right? Why it is used? If any place is caught with fire, what happens? This fire engine goes there, it rings a bell also, siren. It goes there and pumps the water there. సో నో, ఏదైనా అగ్గి తలుగుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ ఫైర్ ఇంజిన్ వచ్చి ఆర్పేస్తుంది అగ్గిని. ఓకే, ఇట్ పుట్స్ ద ఫైర్ ఆఫ్. ఓకే, ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ వీ హ్యావ్ స్మాల్ వెహికల్స్ లైక్ bicycle. Maybe it's bicycle, it is a scooter, then it's a car. Here you have a tractor, here you have a bike. So no, different means of transports. Okay, vehicles, different vehicles we have, right? Then here it is a scooter on which a person is going. Then here we have a bus, school bus. Sorry, here children are there, so it is school bus. So common buses will be also there, right? Erra buslu. Yes or no? Yes. Then here we have auto. It is common. We can see autos everywhere, right? And it is jeep. It is jeep. Then here, what can you see? Hey, statue. You can see statue here. See this? Which is statue? It is a person who caught a stick. Means who is he? He is Gandhi Tata. Yes or no? Gandhi Tata. బొమ్మలు ఉంటాయి కదా ఊర్లలో. Yes. So it is Gandhi's statue. Yes, different villages have different statues like Ambedkar statues, Gandhiji, some other fighters, right? Yes, here you see, here there's a small river like a pond or a lake. Okay, chinna cheruvu laga. Yes or no? In it, see, we can see a boat and we can see two people there. Okay, they're traveling on a boat, right? And here you see, here what it is. Here it is like a bridge, and then train is going from the bridge. So different things we have seen in this page, right? Different vehicles we have seen, and then different animals. Yes or no? So means of transports. See how many vehicles are there? Different kinds of vehicles are there, right? We'll name them. Okay. See, car, van, lorry, ambulance, fire engine, then scooter, cycle, bicycle. Okay, car, tractor, then bike, huh? Then bus, auto, jeep, boat, train. Only aeroplane is missing, right? We can't see aeroplane here, right? Aeroplane is also means of transport which we can fly in the air, right? Yes, so different kinds of vehicles we have seen in this. Okay, next, what do you see on your way to school? Okay, here Ammu is going to school, right? Yes, what you see while going on the way to your school, we can see all houses, roads, and other vehicles passing through. Yes or no? Cars, bikes, cycles, schools, shops. So different things we can see on the way to the school, right? Hospital or something. Here we can see government hospital while coming into your school. So no, while coming into our school here in Ganpur, we have government hospital there, and then beside, in front of it, we have post office also. So no, yes. So we can see different places while coming from while on your way to school. Okay. Yes. Will Ammu take Bit to school? To school? Yes, she already took. We already seen unit 3 and unit 4, right? Yes. So here Ammu is also taking Bit to school. So next, turn the page now. Turn the page, children. Turn the page. Yes, here you have 22. Page number 22. 2 to 22. TWENTY 20. TOW 2 22. Okay, see here, what is the lesson name? Ammu and the Bit are in the bus. So here Ammu is taking Bittu to the school. Yes or no? What is the lesson name? Ammu and Bittu are in the bus. Ammu and Bittu are in the bus. So see here, Ammu and Bittu are in the bus. They are looking at the vehicles on the road. Here in this page we have seen so many vehicles, right? Here it is Ammu. So here what they are looking? They are looking different vehicles from the window of the bus. You people also look outside, right? From the window of your bus. So here Ammu and Bittu. See Ammu, she's Bittu. Bittu is a squirrel, right? It is a boy. Okay, yes. Bittu and Ammu are looking outside from the window. What they are looking? They are looking vehicles. Vehicles on the road. See vehicles spelling VEHICLES. 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 Okay? She is seeing vehicles on the road. So Ammu, now here who is asking this? Bittu is asking a question. What it is? What is that, Ammu? So Bittu is looking out from the window, and what he is asking? What is that, Ammu? He don't know anything, right? So Bittu is asking. Now, if you don't know anything, you ask to your parents or friends, right? What is it about? Yes or no? So here Bittu is asking, what is that, Ammu? Now Bittu. Now Ammu what is telling? What she's telling? That is a car. What it is, children? It is a car. Car has 4 wheels, 4 tires, right? So when Bittu asked what is that, Ammu is answering that is a car. Okay? Yes. What is Bittu asking Ammu? Now tell me, what is Bittu asking Ammu? Bittu is asking, what is that? What is that? Now what is Ammu saying to Bittu? What is Ammu saying? That is a car. What is Ammu saying? That is a car. Okay. So here Ammu and Bittu are going to school in the school bus, and while seeing outside, Bittu got a doubt about the vehicle. So Bittu asked Ammu. Ammu answered it as a car. And what it is? It is a scooter. Yes or no? It is a scooter. It is a car and it is a scooter. Okay. Yes, so we have finished this paper, right? Ammu and Bittu are in the bus. Next, coming to this 23rd, 22, 3, 23, 2, 3, 23. TWENTY 20, THREE 3, 23. What it is? 23. Okay, sing the song. Here is a song we have to sing. First of all, we'll see what is there in this. What he said here is she is Ammu, he is Bittu, right? They are looking outside from the window. What you can see, you can see a bus here, another bus, and then you can see a car. Yes or no? So what is the lesson name? Ammu's bus goes pom pom pom. What is the lesson name? Ammu's bus goes pom 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 means the sound which which bus makes. So, yes or no? Bus makes pom pom pom, right? Horn, it's horn sound, pom pom pom. Okay. So here, see, here is the bus. Once I'll tell the meaning and then we'll sing it. Okay. Here is the bus. It goes on the road. Here goes the bus. Pom pom pom. In the sense, this is a bus. Where it goes on the road. Yes or no? There are vehicles which goes on road. There are the vehicles which travels in aeroplane, right? In water, on water, boats and ships, right? Yes. So here is the bus. It goes on the road. Okay. Now we'll sing it. See. Here is the bus. It goes on the road. Here goes the bus. Pom pom pom. Pom pom pom. Okay. In this way you have to sing. See the first line. Now I'll sing one line and then you sing the next one. Okay. See. Here is the bus. It goes on the road. Here goes the bus. Pom pom pom. Okay. Once again I'll sing this. See. One line I'll sing, the next line you repeat it, okay? See the first line. Here is the bus. It goes on the road. Here goes the bus. Pom pom pom. Yes, it is good, right? Once again I'll sing the 4 lines. See. Here is the bus, it goes on the road. Here goes the bus, pom pom pom. Yes, it is good, right? We have finished this 4 lines. In this way, you have to sing these 4 lines. Okay. Pause it, and you can hear my song twice or thrice or how many times you want to listen. You can listen. Okay. If you don't understand anything, check your videos and listen it once again. Okay. Then next one you see here. Here it is about car. Okay. See, here is the car. It goes on the road. Here goes the car. Beep beep beep. So here it is a car. Car also goes on road. Yes or no? Yes or no? Car goes on road, right? Bus also goes on road. So here how we have to sing it? Here is the car. It goes on the road. Here goes the car. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Okay. Beep 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 and pom 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 are sounds. Okay. So here I'll sing first line. You have to sing the next. Okay. I mean you have to sing it with me. See. Here is the car. Are you singing? One line I'll sing. Then you have to repeat it. Here is the car. It goes on the road. Here goes the car. Beep beep beep. Once again, here is the car. It goes on the road. Here goes the car. Beep beep beep. Yes, is it good? Is it good? Yes, it is good, right? So once again, I'll sing this 8 lines. Okay, see. Once again I'll sing one line, then you have to sing, you have to repeat it. Okay, see. Here is the bus. Here is the bus. It goes on the road. Here goes the bus. Pom pom pom. Are you all singing with me? Once again. Here is the bus. It goes on the road. Here goes the bus. Pom pom pom. Okay, next here. Here is the car. It goes on the road. Here goes the car. Beep, beep, beep. Once again, here is the car. It goes on the road. Here goes the car. Beep, beep, beep. Yes, so in this way you have to sing, okay? See, now one last time I'll sing it and we'll finish the class, okay? See, here is the bus, it goes on the road. Here goes the bus, pom pom pom, pom pom pom. Next, here is the car, it goes on the road. Here goes the car, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. Okay, we are finished, okay? Yes, so here we have seen about bus and car, right? They both goes on, yes, they both go on road, yes or no, on the road. So next we have my vehicle. This one we will start in the next lesson, next class. Okay, got it? So read, okay, see the pictures and talk about them. Okay, here we have so many things, right? See each and every picture and talk about them. What we call it bus, we call it auto. In the same way, read everything. Okay, yes. So in our next class we will continue the next topic. Write your homeworks daily, okay? Yes, be a good child, don't bother your parents, okay? Yes, that's it for today. We'll continue the next in the next class.